Hello dear student, let us see lecture number 7. Now see here, lecture number 8. The volume of spherical balloon being inflated changes at constant rate. That means volume of that spherical balloon changes at the constant rate that is given. If initially its radius is 3 units, and after 3 seconds it is 6 units. Clear? That is given to us. Find the radius of balloon after 3 seconds. Now, suppose at time t or at instant t, volume of spherical at time t, radius and volume of spherical balloon are R and V respectively. And that what is V? What is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? Now, it is given that dV by dt is constant K. K is constant. That means at constant rate, changes at the constant rate, that is given to us. And therefore, see here, that is with respect to time. We know that initially its radius is 3 units and after 3 seconds. That means that depends on a time. So we are differentiating with respect to time. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to K. So what we get here? 4 pi by 3 3r square dr by dt is equal to K. This is the important thing. Clear? So what we get? Therefore 3 get cancelled. 4 pi r square dr by dt is equal to K. So now it is in terms of differential equation. And therefore 4 pi r square dr is equal to K dt. So integrate it. 4 pi r square dr is equal to integral k dt plus some constant c. So 4 pi common, r square dr is equal to kt plus c. Clear? So what we get here? 4 pi r cube by 3 is equal to kt plus c. Now let us see next page. What is give? I am writing that step once again. 4 pi by 4 pi into r cube by 3. 4 pi r cube by 3 is equal to kt plus c. Now it is mentioned that initially the radius is 3 units. That means at time t equal to 0. If t equal to 0, then r is equal to 3. So put it here. 4 pi 3 cube by 3 is equal to k into 0 plus c. So what we get? 36 pi is equal to c. And therefore 4 pi by 3 r cube is equal to kt plus 36 pi. This is the particular solution. Clear? But we want further some more quantity. It is once again it is given. What we want? Find the radius of balloon after t second. And after 3 seconds it comes out 6 units. So put that value. If t is equal to 3, then r is equal to 6. So 4 pi by 3, 6 into 36 is equal to k into 3 plus 36 pi. So if we consider 36 pi on both sides, cancel it. See here. 1 minute. No. 3 to the 6. 8 pi into 36 is equal to 3k plus 36 pi. 3k plus 36 pi. Now, three k is equal to 36 pi into 8 minus 36 pi. Yes or no? See there? Yes. Take it this quantity on left hand side and make 3k as a head. So 3k is equal to 36 pi common. What we get? 8 minus 1. So 36 pi into 7. So that comes out. Now 3k is there. So divide by 3, k is equal to 12 pi into 7. So 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 84 pi k is equal to. So put here in this equation. So result number 1. So by 1, 4 pi by 3 r cube is equal to 84 pi plus 36 pi. Now, if we cancel 4 pi on both sides, so make r cube as a head. R cube is equal to 4 pi, let us cancel. R cube by 3. Here if we cancel 4 pi, so here you get 9 and here you get 84 divided by 4. 4 to the 8, 1, 4 1 the 4. Clear? So 4 to the 8 get cancelled 0, that is 21. So here we get 21. See, 1 minute. Somewhere t is there. by 1. Value of k we are replacing, by 1, 4 pi by 3 r cube, replacing value of k, 84 pi t plus 36 pi, yes. So after cancelling, that means if we make a r cube, 4 pi cancel, we get that thing, what we get, 63k plus 27, and therefore r is equal to 63t plus 27 raised to 1 by 3. That is the radius of the balloon after t second. Clear? Next example, in a bank. Common example says, in a bank, principal increases at the rate of r% per year, per annum. Find value of r if 100 rupees doubled in 10 years. Here it is given that we have to take value of log 2 base is 0.6391. That is given to us. Suppose principal at time t is p. Now it is given that rate of change, that means principal increases at the rate of r% per year. That is dp by dt is equal to r% of p. So this thing is very important thing. From the question we have to identify it. Now we know that r% means r by 100 into p dp by dt. Now here we get differential form. So dp by p is equal to r dt by 100. Yes or no? Now integrating on both sides, dp by b is equal to r is constant term at the rate of r. That means we are taking it outside. Integral dt plus c after integrating that thing. And therefore log mod p is equal to r by 100 plus c. Clear? So RT. Now it is given that initially, suppose initially P is P0. P is, that means principal, some principal amount we have to take initially. So I am taking that P is equal to 0, P0. Therefore, if T is equal to 0, then P equal to P0. So replace this value, what we get? Log P0 is equal to R into 0 by 100 plus C. So C is equal to log P0. That means we have to consider that is in terms of magnitude. And therefore, what we get? Replace value of that C. Log mod P is equal to R by 100 T plus log mod P0. So we can write in that way also. After simplification of, take log mod P0 on left hand side and use the property of logarithmic function. So we get this thing. Log P by P0 is equal to log P over P0 is equal to R0 by 100t. Now it is given that if t equal to 10 years, then that principal amount get double. So take that thing in question. Above P is equal to 2P0 over P0 of magnitude, R by 100, T is 10. So what we get here, log 2 base E is equal to R by 10. So R is equal to 10 into log 2 base E. 10 into log 2 base E's value is given to us 0.6931. So ultimately it comes out 6.931. That means nearly equal to 6.93%. Clear? Yes. Similarly, one commercial example is there. In a bank, what is given to us? In a bank, principal increases at the rate of 5% per annum per year. An amount ₹1,000 is deposited with this bank. 5% થી રેટ એનું ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે ભાઈ, રેટ આપેલ છે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટનો, અને ઇનિશિયલી ₹1,000 ઇન્વેસ્ટ બેંકમાં મૂકવામાં આવે છે. હાઉ મચ will it be worth after 10 years? One value is given to us. E raised to 0.5 is equal to, that is given to us, 1.648. That is given to us. Suppose at time t, principal amount is P. Now it is given that dp by dt increases at the rate of 5% of P. So that is equal to 5 by 100 P dp by dt. So dp by P is equal to 5 by 100 dt. Simplification પણ કરી શકો છો, હા. Therefore integral dp by P is equal to 1 by 20 integral dt plus C. So log mod P is equal to 1 by 20 t plus C. Now initially it is given that, initially it is given that, 10 years, 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 If t is equal to 0, then p is equal to initially t is equal to, yes, 100,000 rupees invested. The log magnitude of 1000 is equal to 1 by 20 t plus c. T is we have to consider as a 0. So c is equal to log magnitude, or that means log 1000 base e. Clear? So value, replace this value in that equation. So what we get? Log magnitude p. Therefore log magnitude p is equal to 1 by 20 t plus log 1000 base e. So can I write log p over 1000 is equal to 1 by t20? Yes or no? Yes. And therefore p by 1000. Here see, if t is equal to 10, then we want what is the principal amount, and therefore log p by 1000 is equal to 1 by 20 into 10 into t. So log p over 1000 is equal to 1 by 2 t. T is 10 already taken, sorry. That is 1 by 2. So p over 1000 is equal to e raised to 1 by 2 means e raised to 0.5. So p is equal to e raised to 0.5 into 1000, and that is given to us e raised to 0.5. That is equal to 1.648 into 1000. So what we get? That is equal to, we get 1648. Therefore, after 10 years, principal amount will worth rupees 1648. આ ટાઈપના ઈ-કોમર્સ કહેવાય. એના એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ આપણને આવી શકે. બરાબર. હવે બેક્ટેરિયલ કલ્ચરના એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે, એ પણ લઈ લઈએ આપણે. હવે એ પહેલાં થોડાક એક્સ્ટ્રા એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ આપણે. ચલો. See, the population of a city in 1960 AD was 2000, and in 1970 AD was 5,000. If the increases, if the population rate of increase of population is proportional to rate of increase is proportional to population present at that time. Clear? What we want? We want population at the end. What will be population in 2080? Clear? Now it is given that, suppose at time t, population of a city, suppose at any instant t or at time t, population of a city is P. Now it is given that, see, that is given the rate of increase of population is proportional to population present at that time. So it is given that dp by dt proportional to P. So dp by dt is equal to k into P. K greater than 0 is constant. Why I am taking positive constant? Because population increases, and therefore dp over P is equal to k dt. If we integrate it, dp by P is equal to k time integral dt plus C. So log of magnitude P is equal to kt plus C. So P is equal to e raised to kt plus, and C1 कही दो तो ही चाले. So P is equal to e raised to kt into e raised to C1. So population P is equal to C into e raised to kt. Say equation number 1. C is equal to e raised to C1. Directly તમે આમ કરી શકો. So P is equal to what we get? P is equal to C into e raised to kt. Say equation number 1. Now initially, that means if t is equal to 0, see, sorry, initially population of city is 2000. If t is equal to 0, then P is equal to 2000. So 2000 is equal to C into e raised to k into 0. So C is equal to 2000. So by 1, what will be our P? 2000 e raised to kt. Say equation number 2. Now, in 1970, from 1960 to 1970, that means in a span of 10 years, it was 5000. If t is equal to 10, then P is equal to 5000. So 5000 is equal to 2000 e raised to 10k. So what we get? 5 by 2 is equal to e raised to 10k. And now jo simplification not karta, I'm putting as it is. Now what we want? Once again observe. What will be the population in 2000? 1960 to 2000. What is the expansion? What is span of? Span of 40 years. That means if T is equal to 40, then we want P is equal to what? And therefore by 2, what is P is equal to? 2000 e raised to 40k. So 2000 e raised to 10k raised to 4. Can I write it? Yeah. And we have a value C here. So 2000 5 by 2 raised to 4. So 2000 25 into 25 over 16. Clear? Now you can simplify this one. After simplifying, what will we get? That comes out, calculate કરી શકો છો તમે, 78125, and therefore the population of the city in 2080 will be 78,125. Initially 2000 થયું હતું, પણ એનો રેટ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થશે તો એ આપણે જોઈ લીધું, આ ફોર્મની અંદર આવે. હજી પણ એક એવું કંઈક પોપ્યુલેશન વાળો એક સમ છે, જોઈએ આપણે. નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ. Population of a city increases at rate of 3% per annum per year. How many years will it take to double the population? Some values are given to us. Log 2 base is 0.6931. ના આપેલો હોય તો મિત્રોને યાદ રાખી શકાય. ખ્યાલ આવે છે? કંઈ વાંધો નહીં. જોઈએ. What is given to us? Here, suppose at time t, તો લખી દો. Suppose at time t, population of city is P. Now it is given that dp by dt is equal to 3% of P. So dp by dt is equal to 3 by 100 P. Clear? So what we get? So we get dp by P is equal to 3 by 100 dt. On integration, dp by P 3 by 100 dt plus C. So log magnitude P is equal to 3 by 100 T plus C. We have to suppose initially what will be it. Suppose initially P is P0, and therefore if T is equal to 0, then P is equal to P0, and therefore by 1. Say this result is 1. Therefore, by 1, log P0, log magnitude of P0 is equal to 3 by 100 into 0 plus C. So C is equal to log magnitude P0. Once again, therefore by 1, log mod P is equal to 3 by 100 T plus log magnitude of P0. So log P over P0 is equal to 3 by 100 T. Therefore if we want T, if P equal to 2P0, then T is equal to what? How many years it will get double? So put it in this value, so call this as the result number 2. And therefore by 2, log P over 2P0 over P0 magnitude, that is equal to 3 by 100 T. So what we get? Log 2 base E is equal to 3 by 100 T. So 100 by 3 log 2 base E is equal to T. 100 by 3.6931 is equal to T. If we calculate it, then what we get? That comes out, calculator માં તમે ચેક કરી શકો છો, that comes out 23.103. So nearly equal to 23 years. Clear? Yes. હવે જોઈએ થોડાક રેડિયો એક્ટિવિટી માટેના સમ્સ. See, it is given that, next one, rate of decay of a radioactive body is proportional to its mass present at that time. Clear? This is the condition is given. After a decay of 1 hour, the mass of the body is 100 gram. Clear? And after 2 hours, it is 80 gram. ખાલી જે લખશો તો ચાલશે, એમ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. 80 gram. Find initially mass of the body. Initially mass of the radioactive body. Now see here. Suppose at time t, suppose at time t, mass of radioactive body is m, and initially it is m0. Now one thing is given to us, dear friends. What is given? The rate of decay is proportional to mass present at that time. That is given. It is given that dm by dt proportional to m, and therefore dm by dt is equal to minus km. Why? Because bodies decay, ક્ષય થાય છે, and k is greater than 0. તો જ k less than 0 minus k less than 0 થાય ને? Yes. And therefore dm by m is equal to minus k dt. So integrate dm by m is equal to minus k integral dt plus call as a c1. So log mod m is equal to minus kt plus c1. So m is equal to e raised to minus kt plus c1. So m is equal to e raised to minus kt into e raised to c1. So m is equal to c e raised to minus kt. C is equal to e raised to c1, call as a new constant. That means here we are converting in terms of exponential form. Clear? Yes. Now, if t is equal to 0, then m is equal to m0, that we are supposing. m0 is equal to c e raised to minus k into 0. So c comes out m0, and therefore by 1, what is m? m0 e raised to minus kt. Say equation number 2. If t is equal to, now see the question. After decay of 1 hour, its mass is 100 gram. And after 2 hours, it was 80 gram. That means if t is equal to 1, then m is equal to 100. If t is equal to 1, then m is equal to 100. So 100 is equal to m0 e raised to minus k. Say result number 3. Also, if t is equal to 2 over, then m is 80 gram. So by 2, this one is by 2. Therefore by 2. Put this value in equation 2. M is 80 gram is equal to m0 e raised to minus 2k. Clear? So 80 from these two equations is equal to, can I write m0 into e raised to minus k whole square? E raised to minus k is equal to what? 80 is equal to m0, 100 by m0 square, and that is by 3. અહીંથી value substitute કરતી હતી. 80 is equal to m0 10,000 or m0 square. So 8 is equal to 1000 by m0. So m0 is equal to 1000 by 8. So 100 into 10 over 4 into 2. Here you get 25. Clear? Into what? 5. See, initially that is mass will be 125 gram. See, this is the form. Yes, it is 125. M0 is 125. Yes, okay. Next example. That is also in terms of radioactive body. So I am giving that one for homework, because on same line that sum is there. So I would like to give homework. So let us write it. Rate of decay. Rate of decay of a radioactive body is proportional to its mass at that time, proportional to its mass present at that time. આગળના જેવો જ ક્વેશ્ચન છે. After decay for 1 hour, the mass of body is 90 gram. And after 2 hours, it is 60 gram. Find the initial mass of body. Answer આપી દઉં છું મિત્રો. It comes out 130 gram. Clear? Yes. હજી પણ એક सम्स છે થોડા, એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં લઈશું.